My name is Sachin Shah. I am the partner of this Diemech plastic machinery. We are based from Ahmedabad. Our company is making screen changers. It's a filtration unit, means which plastics comes from the barrel, hot melt material. The material will filter from in our screen changer. So it is basically filtration product. Right now we have developed one more item, one more product. The name is die head. So it is used in HDP and PVC pipe plant. So we are making all type of screen changers, die face cutter, melt pump, as well as pipe die head, and we have various type of designs in screen changers according to the plant data. We are offering customers to screen changers, which is the best model for the customers. Right now, we have just started company before 2 years ago, so exports is not more, but we are trying to do more exports, and we are trying to develop as first in India, in our product develop in India, and then we will definitely do the expo. Yeah, this exhibition is good because if you want to cover the market of Southern, then definitely I must be recommended to attend the HIPLEX and join the Tapma. Thank you.